Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. Get ready for a dictation. 5 seconds. Start. 1. Applicant is seeking regular bail under Section 439 of the Criminal Procedure Code in crime number 134 of 2020, registered with Khadki Police Station, Pune City, for the offence punishable under sections 406, 409, 420, 120B, read with section 34 of the Indian Penal Code. 2. The case of the prosecution is Rainbow Cooperative Credit Society Limited went into liquidation. Accused Rajendra Jain, manning the post of liquidator, claimed to have hatched criminal conspiracy with the applicant. His father Sunil and other co-accused persons formed a syndicate and rigged the auction of the properties of the said society in liquidation proceedings. It is claimed by the prosecution that the applicant, through his firms in the capacity of partner, proprietor, and director, facilitated logistic and financial support for submitting bids through various parties, and out of 14 auction properties, successfully purchased 3, 2 in the name of Messrs. Soras Marketing and Trading Company, and 1 in the name of Pavan Kumar. 3. According to the prosecution story, the bid is supported by the applicant by facilitating finance and logistic support by forming cartel and syndicate. Applicant as such came to be arrested for the aforesaid crime on 22/1/2021. The applicant thereafter came to be charge sheeted on 24/21. 4. Counsel Mr. Srikar would urge that the firm which has purchased the property, that is Messrs. Soras Marketing and Trading Company, is a proprietary concern of which father of the applicant, who is Sunil, is a proprietor, and the applicant has no connection whatsoever with the said firm. Mr. Harish would claim that the firm Messrs. Soras Marketing and Trading Company, as having independent shops and establishment license, as well as tax entitlement certificate, and having independent current account with the Bank of India, as is certified by the said bank on 34/2021. According to Mr. Harish, purchaser of the property in the name of the said firm is in no way directly benefited the applicant so as to make out a case of prima facie involvement of the applicant in rigging out the tender process of auction. He would further claim that under the provisions of Section 97 of the Maharashtra State Cooperative Societies Act, the liquidator has a status of civil court. Auction process in which alleged property is claimed to have been auctioned, which is found to be the basis of registration of offence, is not at all questioned. 5. He would further claim that the applicant is neither named in the FIR nor there is any material on record to claim that he would be directly benefited or has involvement in the commission of the offence. He would further invite attention of this court to the order passed by the apex court in special leave to appeal within brackets criminal number 1924 of 2021, so as to claim that observations made by the division bench while deciding the issue of lawful remand of the applicant to police custody is ordered not to prejudice case of the applicant for grant of bail, and that being so, according to him, court needs to assess the case of the applicant on its individual merit and not by influenced by the observations made by the division bench. According to Mr. Harish, applicant can be put to various conditions. 6. The learned special public prosecutor, Mr. Dhawan, while strenuously opposing the bail, was assisted by the officer Suchitra EOW, Pune City. He would urge that even if charge sheet in the matter is filed against the applicant, the main accused, that is, father of the applicant, and other accused are still absconding. He would further urge that investigation in the matter is still going on. During the search, hard disk is seized from the office of the applicant, which contains sufficient material to demonstrate rigging of e-auction process. The learned special public prosecutor, as such, urged that since the investigation is still in process and there are circumstances wherein witnesses were threatened either to give statement in support of the accused persons or not to cooperate in the investigation process in the light of influence of applicant and his father, applicant may not be ordered to be released. 7. Mr. Dhawan, learned special public prosecutor, would rely on statement of Mr. Anupam Kulakarni and one Mr. Umesh recorded under section 161 of the CRPC. He would further urge that investigation is at a very crucial stage and if the applicant is released, same might hamper merits of the investigation and as such, application needs to be rejected. 8. I have considered rival submissions. 9. At the outset, it is required to be noted that the applicant came to be arrested on 22/1/2021 and after completing investigation to the extent of custodial interrogation and such other relevant issue, the first charge sheet came to be filed on 24/2021.